How to log in Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in Gmail account. Now logging in to Gmail account is quite simple and easy. Simply open up Gmail app. Here if you haven't logged in, you'll find the sign up option right there at the screen. However, if you have already logged in, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then what you want to do is tap on add another account option. Simply tap on add another account option and select the platform here that your email is of Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Exchange and other. Simply tap on Google. If you are on Google here, I'll just select Google because I have Google accounts, and then verify your password and it'll take you to sign in page. Now here you can either create account, but if you just want to simply log into another account, type in your email here. I'll just type in my email here, and once you type in your email, what you want to do is tap on next option, and then next it'll ask you for password. Simply enter your password. I'll enter my password here, and once you enter password, simply tap on next option and it'll be logged into your account. You can see tap on I agree and you'll be logged in. So this way you can log into Gmail account. Once you're logged in, what you can do is head back to Google here. If you head back to Gmail here and tap on profile icon there, you'll find the account right there and you can log into it by tapping on it. So this way you can log into Gmail account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.